Economy Minister Connor Murphy has arrived in Chicago to begin a 5-day visit to North America with Invest Northern Ireland. The visit, which includes stops in Chicago and Toronto, aims to strengthen economic ties and highlight Northern Ireland's business strengths. During the visit, the minister will lead a trade mission of 12 innovative Northern Ireland businesses representing sectors including financial services, insurance, education, green energy, and manufacturing. Speaking from Chicago, Minister Murphy said, "The U.S. and Canada are two of the North's most important markets, both for exports and inward investment, with over 320 North American firms choosing to establish here. In the 12 months leading up to March 2024, exports to these markets reached £2.3 billion, highlighting the wealth of opportunities available for local companies. This week, I'll be meeting with key business leaders and politicians to strengthen our transatlantic relationships and build on our shared achievements. I'm also proud to lead a delegation of 12 companies from the North as they explore new partnerships and growth opportunities. Additionally, this week I'll be highlighting dual market access, a key advantage for businesses seeking expansion, which, combined with our strong business environment, makes the North an ideal destination for foreign direct investment. During the visit, Minister Murphy will also meet with the Northern Ireland diaspora to thank them for their ongoing engagement and support, and to reaffirm the strong ties between Northern Ireland, the U.S., and Canada. He will also be meeting with key players from the tourism sector in Chicago and Toronto to promote the North's great tourism offering for American and Canadian visitors. Andrea Hoyen, Executive Vice President, Head of Americas, Invest Northern Ireland, highlighted the importance of the visit. Exporting is fundamental to Northern Ireland's economic growth, and trade missions like this play a vital role in helping our businesses succeed on the global stage. This week, our focus is on strengthening partnerships and creating new opportunities for Northern Ireland companies. We're eager to engage with potential trade partners and demonstrate the unique benefits Northern Ireland offers to both investors and businesses alike. Companies participating on the trade mission are Lagan Energy Engineering, Joe Hopkins Consulting, Alchemy Technology Services, Creative Media, Enzi, First Derivatives, ISX4 AI and Analytics, Rubix, Seedling Learning, The Foundation, Version 1, and Excel. That's a wrap on our coverage of the Economy Minister's 5-day visit to the USA and Canada. A pivotal trip aimed at strengthening economic ties and forging new partnerships. Thanks for joining us as we followed the minister's journey and explored the key issues on the agenda. If you have any thoughts on the potential impact of this visit, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on global economic trends and developments. Join us next time as we delve into more stories of international cooperation and economic diplomacy. Until then, stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. We'll be keeping a close eye on the outcomes of this visit and bringing you expert analysis and insights. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.